Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions.
The Phalaenopsis orchid, also known as the moth orchid, is widely considered the easiest orchid to care for indoors. It is known for its beauty and sophistication and stands 16 to 30 inches tall. The blooms come in a variety of colors like pinks and purples, orange, yellow, and even pure white. Not only is it easy to care for, but its bloom cycle can last anywhere from 2 to 6 months before dropping. It usually blooms once a year, but once it reaches full maturity, it can bloom 2 and even 3 times per year. If you're looking to buy a moth orchid, you can find one in your local nursery. Here are some ways to make sure your orchid thrives. Number 1, replant it. Choose the right pot. Ensure the pot has good drainage, such as holes in the bottom and a saucer to catch excess water. Prepare the orchid potting mix. Use an orchid-specific potting mix, typically made of bark, sphagnum moss, or a combination. Soak the mix in water for as little as 30 minutes or even overnight. Gently remove the orchid from its existing pot. If it's root-bound, roots tightly wound, carefully loosen the roots. Trim away any dead or damaged roots with sterilized scissors. Place the orchid in the center of the pot. The base of the plant, where the roots meet the stem, should be just above the potting mix surface. Spread the roots out as much as possible. Gradually fill in the pot with the orchid potting mix. If the orchid is tall or has a heavy flower spike, use a stake to support it. Insert the stake into the pot and use soft ties to loosely attach the stem to the stake. Number 2, water your moth orchid. The way most orchids die is by overwatering. They should be watered like a succulent, only after the soil has dried. About once a week is sufficient. You will know if you've overwatered because the plant leaves will yellow and fall. Number 3, location. Your orchid needs a bright spot with indirect light. Ideally, 6 to 8 hours per day. You can place it in an office or bedroom by using a grow light. Avoid direct sunlight or the leaves will sunburn or scorch. Number 4, temperature. They prefer a temperature range 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius during the day and slightly cooler at night. Number 5, fertilize. You should fertilize your orchid every 2 to 4 weeks. Number 6, pests. There are some well-known pests that will love your orchid, such as aphids, thrips, mealybugs, scales, and two-spotted spider mites. A simple way to keep pests at bay is to use neem oil. Please note all products are linked below.
We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.